Good morning, everybody. This is Joshua from Joshua and Tony's Homestead Gardening. I came to show you the progress on the Big Jim's hot pepper plant. As you can see, I put it in a cat litter container, turned it sideways, put holes with my soldering stick under it and on the side of it. I put a ketchup bottle with the lid on the inside so it holds water and it drips water into it. As you can see, the peppers are beautiful. Look at this. So remember, if you can grow it, you can eat it. So please reduce, reuse, and recycle. Y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. I always love your comments, and please share. Thank you very much.